So after you insert your drive, you want to go to the folder that you want to transfer your files to. So this is the folder that you want to transfer your files to your USB drive. I'm right clicking. Since I have Windows 11, it may look a little different from Windows 7 and possibly the older version of Windows also. So I'm going to go down here to it says show more options, send to, click on USB drive. So that should have made a copy of my USB drive. So right click, left click, and left click again, and then you just go ahead and transfer them. So in the event that you see this window pop up, saying replace the file in the destination, 9 times out of 10 that means you already copied that file with the same file name, or it could be the same file size. So what you can do is you can click on compare both, and as we can see, it's an exact match. So I am only going to keep one that's already in there, and now we hit continue, and there it is. So when I go to my file explorer, okay, now to inject this, you click on it, and you click on the USB drive, right click, look for the word eject, and left click. You should see that pop-up message right here. You should be able to remove it safely. Because if you don't, you keep on pulling it out the computer, you will damage your USB drive and it will not open. So I'm going to close this. And you can remove it by right clicking, and you can hit the trash can here, or you can delete right here at the top where the trash can is also. So now I'm going to put it back in there. So you can right click, show more options, send to, click on the USB drive here, or you can just simply go straight. Minimize the screen. Just drag it directly in there. So make sure you point to USB in that window C. And there it is right there. And I can check it here and put them side by side. And there you have it. I click on my desktop, folders here, and there's that, and there it is right there too. Looking at the path, sample folder, and it's in my USB drive right here. So you can see it up here at the top. So if I extend this, you can see it's pointing to the USB drive. And there's my sample folder there. I check here also, desktop, sample folder. Click on that, and I'm already there. I'm going to go back a step, I click on the arrow, and it brings me back out. It's highlighted, showing me that's the folder that I am currently reviewing when I click on it. So now I want to safely remove my disk flash drive, I can go here and also do it here. Just make sure you click on the right one. And there it is.